Welcome guys. So today finally I received my parcel from eGurukul Notes 2.0. So I'm going to make unboxing video for the same. I'm going to unbox it. So I'm going to show what it contains. I have unboxed it. It is like packing is nicely packed and like strong packings to avoid the damage to the notes. And we have got like a few books and two. This
We have
contains
got two highlighters and one sticky note that will help you in making your notes. And now we have like forensic medicine. Forensic medicine part 1. It is by Dr. S.K. Gurudat. And like book is the forensic medical guru. Index is so elaboratively and designly given. And like text is also like so reliable and easy to study, and there is digital font which will make you easy, and color coding is given like for subheading and heading, which makes it more easier, and there is active space for your notes and practice, so you can do more better in this. Like there are special definition and points have been differently marked and underlined, and it makes you more easy to study like during your exams, or like you have to revise very fast. This will help you to gain more and more. And like every page is like having active space for your revision. There are figures for spotters, and which will help you in your exam and NEET, PG and FMG exams. Like mostly the spotters are given from previous year's question only. Next we have pharmacology, Dr. Bharat VD, pharmacology guru. And next we have message by CEO and index. Like everything is mentioned in the index, like topic, autocoids, ANS pharmacology, general pharmacology also have two parts, and like general pharmacology, and like different things are given in different diagrams which make you more easy, and active space is there, so you can practice more and more, and you can mention your important points whichever you want. Next we have forensic medicine part 2. It is also same by Dr. KS Gurudat, and general principle of toxicology, and like IPC are very well mentioned, section 2 section, everything is well defined, and there is like no, there is proper spacing between the topics and headings, so like you can get better understanding. Next we have biochemistry by Dr. Nilesh Chandra, is biochemistry guru, and like eGurukul provides you not only this, and like online you can go and take more benefits by logging into, like you have been given like headings has been given, like you have direct internet access where you can click and go to that page, and there's like good cycles and everything is well explained and given, with experiments are also given which will help you in biochemistry tests. Next we have physiology by Dr. Ashish Kumar, physiology guru. It is physiology also have two parts, and like every book has like its own importance, like insulin dependence, type 2 diabetes, the comparison has been made on very good points, and there is like proper space and orientation, so like you get better understanding. Next we have microbiology by Dr. Abdul Nasir. Introduction of general microbiology is also given. It contains the famous scientist photos, so if it is asked in exam, it will be more easy for you guys. Next we have pediatrics by Dr. Pangas Tiku. Every book has its own importance, like diagrams are given, clinical aspects are given, important question, and like various clinical cases are given, so it will help you to retain more during your final examinations. Next we have psychiatry by Dr. Ankur Jain. He has given everything, like how to take history from basic to full things. He has given photos to explain the everything, and like there is proper active space, so you can write your own things. Next we have radiology by Dr. Rajat Jain. Every book has like it has given x-rays also, which will help you to more correlate your clinical and theoretical knowledge. X-rays are proper given with HD images. Next we have obstetrics by Dr. Rameshri. Proper indexing is also given, like proper spacing is also there between everything is explained properly with figure and diagrams, which makes you like more easy to study cycles and all, normal development and everything. And like there is proper space, and digital font helps you to retain more, like it is a different coding and colors has been used. And like there has been like previous year's question has been given, so it will help you to understand more. Then we have gynecology by Dr. Vedesi Desai Saha. This has also proper diagrams has been given, like to more correlate, and like types of hymen has been properly mentioned, so you don't have problem while revising. And like everything has been properly and easily designed, so you retain more and more in short time. And like various processor are given, like various cycles are given, fertilization, sperm yield, testicular sites. Next we have dermatology, Dr. Khushbu Mahajan. Like this has given properly figures of the lessons of the skin, and like so if you are given photo in examination, and most of the photos were from e-group notes in recent FMG examination, which helps children to gain more and more. Next we have orthopedics by Dr. Sushil Vijay. And like everything is properly defined, and like images of deformities are given, so you can more relate to clinical aspect, and clinical presentation are given in more good way. And every lesson has the like their clinical images, so and x-ray, so radiology also you can relate with ortho. Then we have anesthesia by Dr. Ajay Yadav. And like it is proper history, and like various equipments has been, instruments has been given, so like if you get in exam, so you can correlate more and more. And like there are various images and various instruments, so you can retain more for your exams at very short time. And there is active space, so you can practice your notes. Then we have ophthalmology by Dr. Neha Agarwal. In ophthalmology there are proper clinical case discussions, so which will help you in more. And like their proper explanations are given, and every chapter has like proper case scenarios, which will help you to retain more in your clinical aspect, also in your third prop also. And there is active space, so you can practice your own notes and write important things. Next we have ophthalmology part 2. It is also same, like and it like there are few images which will help you to retain more and more. Next we have PSM by Dr. Aswani Ranjan. Everything has been explained in properly manner, and like there is proper spacing, and headings has been used in digital font, and different color coding for different topics, so it make you too easy. And like there is lot of space, so you can make your own things and make it more attractive. Next we have ENT by Dr. Sanjay.